Hi dear friend, welcome back to my another video. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to see your Facebook password if you forgot it. Because sometimes it's happened with us that we are just using our Facebook account and we don't need to log out from this account. For that reason, after a while we just forget our Facebook password because we saved our password, and when we need to log in to our account we just simply click on that account and it's login. That's why we don't want to remember our Facebook password, right? But when we want to change something on our account, that time Facebook asks for the password. Normally people what is doing, they just reset their Facebook password and set a new password. But in this video I'm gonna show you how you can see your current Facebook password without resetting your Facebook account. So hit the like button of this video and keep watching this video till the end to learn this full process. So let's jump in the first method. First of all, make sure your Gmail account is up to date. So go to Play Store and search here Gmail, then update this application. Okay, now open your Gmail account from your Android device. Then here click on account icon. After that, here click on Google account. Now here swipe to the right side and go to security option. Then scroll down and here below you will see password manager option. Click on it. Then you will see a page like this. You just need to scroll down and find out here facebook.com. As you can see, here is the facebook.com option. Click on it. Now you need to put here your security pin or fingerprint. You will see here your Facebook account number or Gmail account and also your password. So if you want to see your account password, then here just click on the I button. After that you will able to see this password. If you do not find password option like this way, don't worry, I'm gonna show you another method. So in this method, first of all, open your Chrome browser and make sure your Gmail account is signed in on your Chrome browser. Then here click on three dot option. After that go to the settings. And here you can see same option, password manager. Just click on it and search here facebook.com, and then same way just click on it and put your security pin. After that you can also find here your Facebook password. If you also not find by this way, let's go to the final method. First of all, go to the settings, then scroll down and go to the Google option. Here go to the autofill option, then click on autofill with Google. Then here below click on password, and then you can see the same option. Just find out here Facebook and see your password. So friend, by these simple ways you can get your Facebook current password. I hope guys you enjoyed this video. To get more this types of important video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the like button of this video. Thanks for watching this video.